Hello guys, welcome to Gadgets, the tech reporter. Guys, I wanted to give you a quick info about the LG's Velvet. Velvet specifications leaked online ahead of May 7 launch. A specifications sheet that is believed to be of the LG Velvet has surfaced on South Korean forums. LG Velvet alleged specifications have surfaced online just days ahead of its official launch. The new LG phone appears to have at least 8 GB of RAM and include a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The LG Velvet would come with a triple rear camera setup that will include a 48-megapixel primary sensor, along with support for optical image stabilization. In terms of storage, the LG Velvet appears to have 128 GB of onboard storage that would support expansion up to 2 TB via micro SD card slot. The spec sheet also lists IP68 certification and 4300 mAh battery. There is also reference to the Snapdragon 765 for the processor section. Further, the phone is said to come with an in-display fingerprint sensor and have stereo speakers coupled with artificial intelligence-powered sound. And the phone is also weigh 180 grams. The LG Velvet launch will take place through an online-only event in South Korea on May 7. The phone is likely to also arrive in global markets shortly after its launch next month.